Dear students, we have a new question for you. This question is related with the radical fraction. How we can simplify 24 square root divide 30 square root plus 6 square root. Simplify this fraction with the radical symbol is involved. How we calculate this value? So we can write 624, we can write 6 multiplied by 4 square root divided by, and here we can write 6 multiplied by 5 square root plus 6 under the root. Similarly, we can write according to the property of AB square root is equal to A square root and B square root. According to this property, we can expand this from 6 square root into 4 square root divided by 6 under the root into 5 under the root plus 6 under the root. Here we are taking common from this and the denominator term 6 under the root into 4 under the root, 4 under the root divided by 6 under the root into 5 under the root plus 1 is remaining here. So both are cancelled, this one, and 4 square root we can write 2 square root divided by 5 square root plus 1. So this is also cancelled, teacher. We get 2 5 under the root plus 1. And also we have the square of, sorry for this one, we have also the whole 24. Exponent is 4 exponent 24, and here we have the exponent is 24, and also the exponent is 24, and also we have the exponent is 24, and here is also exponent is 24. So now we are extend the term of exponent here, or we can simplify this result. We can simplify the result is 2, because here is this is in the fraction is the radical symbol is appeared, so we want to rationalize this term 2 into 5 under the root plus 1 into conjugate of this term multiply and also divide by this term and taking exponent 24. Now up and 2 into 5 under the root minus 1 divided by, here we are using a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now a 5 under the root minus into 1 square under the root whole square, a square minus b square we are using here, and here is 24 exponent. Now we expand this result 2 into 5 under the root minus 1 divided by, we can write this is cancel, 5 minus 1 divided by 24. Further we can write this result 2 into 5 under the root minus 1 divided by 4. 24 is the exponent, 2 and this is cancelled to each other. The root minus 1 divided by 2, 24. Now we can write according to the Q formula, we can write 5 under the root minus 1 divided by 2 whole cube is 8. 24 we can write 24 is equal to 3 and 2 3. We get 24. Now we have the Q formula, here we are using a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. According to this formula we are applying here, so we can write a minus b whole cube and also 2 whole cube whole exponent. We have expand this term. Now 5 under the root, we can write 3 times 5 under the root, and to 5 under the root, and to 5 under the root. And here is 1 cube 1 and minus 3 under the root 5 and 5 under the root minus 1 divided by 8 whole exponent is 8. The root to 5 square into 5 under the root minus 1 and minus 3 multiplied by 5 under the root whole square plus root 5 plus 3 under the root 5. 3 under the root 5 divided by 8 whole exponent 8. So now we can write this one, and this is also minus into minus, this will be minus and minus minus plus. So we get here 8 5 under the root, we add these two terms, minus 16 divided by 8 whole exponent 8. So 8 is common, taking 8 is common, we can write 5 under the root minus 2 divided by 8 whole exponent 8. Both are cancelled, so we get here 5 under the root minus 2 whole exponent 8. So we give equation number A. Let x is equal to 5 under the root minus 2. So we change this one. So x plus 2 is equal to 5 under the root. So we are taking here x plus 2 is equal to 5 under the root, taking square on both sides, taking square on both sides of this equation. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 under the root whole square. So this is cancelled, we get 5. Here a plus b whole square formula is used. A square plus 2b square plus 2ab, x into b is equal to 5. We get here x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to 5. Now we change this result to here x square is equal to 5 minus 4 minus 4x. So we get here 1 minus 4x. Again squaring on both sides because we are needed 8 exponent 8. So again squaring on both sides of this equation. So x square whole square is equal to 1 minus 4x whole square. So we get here x4 is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2a into b. X4 is equal to 1 plus 16x square minus 8x. Now we replace the value of x square is 1 minus 4x. Replace the value of x square here. So x4 is equal to 1 plus 16 into x square is 1 minus 4x minus 8x. So we get x4 is equal to 1 plus 16 minus 64x minus 8x. Now we get here x4 is equal to, this will be 17 minus, and this will be 72x. Now we replace the value of x. X is equal to 5 under root. We replace the value of x is equal to 17 minus 72 into x, 5 under the root minus 2. So we simplify this result. 17 minus 72 under the root 5 plus 144. We add this term 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 161 minus 72 under the root 5. If we take now again, so because we are needed x4 whole exponent 2 is equal to 161 minus 72 under the root 5 whole square. So here we get x8 is equal to 161 whole square plus 72 under the root 5 whole square minus 2ab 161 into 72 under the root 5. So we get here x8 is equal to 1. 8 is equal to 25 921 minus and 72 square plus 72 square multiply by and 5, we get 25 920, and also this multiply to this result 2 multiply by 161 multiply by 72 we get here minus 2 3 184 5 under the root, and we add these two terms 184 1 minus 23 184 square root as x exponent a. For this result in equation number 1 we get the required result. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.